Igbo ndị ọma, ndeewono. Ụmụaka Igbo, ndeewo. Ka afọ ọhụrụ nke 2026 a mara anyị niile mma ise o. Ọ ka bụ nwada bụ Igobe. N'ihe nkụzi nke taa, anyị ga-eleba anya na omenala dị iche iche nke nọ n'ime ala Igbo. Ofu n'ime ha bụ ịta ọjị n'Ezinihitte Mbaise nke nọ n'ime Imo State. Ezinihitte Mbaise is a local government area in Imo State. It contributes to the vastness of Mbaise region in Igbo land. Its headquarters is in Itu, a central community within the local government. In 1989, Ezinihitte was created from Mbaise to become its own administrative center. The following are the autonomous communities that make up Ezinihitte: Obama na Umunama, Akpodim, Amomara, Okpofe, Chokoneze, Ifenoutu, Eziudo, Itu, Ihite, Eziawog, Obisi, and Onitsha. History has it that Oriukwu, a major market square near Obama no Monama, is the ancestral seat of the Ezinihitte people, from where other communities were carved out. So now let's look at the background, the cultural heritage. The Oji Festival is one of the remarkable events affixed to and associated with the identity of Ezinihitte Mbaise. Brings to the knowledge of all every detail on the Igbo KOLANUT, that's the Oji, which exudes power and which of course is marked as a cultural symbol of unity, idinotu, hospitality, which is ileziobia, anya, life, which is endo, and kinship, which is mekorita nkumonna. Before the emergence of Christianity, it was held at the shrine of Chinedu-Ojinere at Oriukwu, where the aforementioned communities gather to offer sacrifices. But today, it rotates among the communities and is celebrated annually on the 1st of every January, with the illustrious sons and daughters of Ezinihitte, not minding each person's religion or creed. Oji Ezinihitte is not just a festival, but a social event where the values of the community is strengthened. It's a forum that gives opportunity for the traditional rulers to review the laws binding the indigenes of Ezinihitte, as well as addressing social development and political issues within the communities. It also boosts cultural progress. Now let's look at the Oji Festival. The following is a list of programs at the festival, and each has a significant importance. Number 1, planting of the KOLANUT. This is the first event in the festival. Anaboya Ido Oji n'olu. Here the KOLANUT is planted on the soil of the community, whose turn it is to host the next Oji festival. This is usually done in around August of the preceding year. To the Oji are the gathering of elders from all the communities, traditional and clan rulers, and other designated individuals who would come to witness the event. The Ido Oji sets other plans for the festival in motion. Number 2, the Oji Festival. This kicks off with the gathering of people from far and near, as it begins with the assembly of elders, titled men, that's indigenes, guests and community members. Afterwards, Each person sits according to age, title, and status, marking respect and order. The third one is the presentation of the KOLANUT. Ido Oji Ezinihitte Ohaneze. A formal presentation is made to the gathering as the KOLANUT is passed around to ascertain whether it is wholesome and acceptable for the ceremony. This marks openness and communal approval or consent. Number 4 is prayers and blessings. Ekpere na Ido Oji. Here, the eldest man, or most referred, offers prayers to Chineke, that's the Almighty God, and indigenes, the ancestors, for life and good health, peace and unity. 5 on the program is always breaking of the KOLANUT, that is Ido Oji. The KOLANUT is broken following tradition. The number of loaves may be interpreted symbolically as a sign of life, favor, and blessings. The breaking of the KOLANUT signifies also acceptance, that is nnabata, udo na ọgbụgba ndụ nke ndị zukọrọ maka ya bụ emume. Number 6 on the program is distribution and eating of KOLANUT. Nkesa ọjị na ịta ọjị. The KOLANUT is shared among everyone present, starting from elders and titlemen. This signifies equality, that is ịha otu, brotherhood, mmekọ nke ụmụnna, unity and social integration, ịdị n'otu na mmekọrịta mmadụ na ibe ya. Visitors also partake in this. The 7th one on the program is always supplementary items. The Oji is served alongside other items like garden eggs and peanuts, butter, palm wine. Oh, I really miss this one. Mayango and other local drinks. Helps to strengthen fellowship ties, accompanied by joy. Number 8 is always display of traditional dance. As entertainment goes on, different traditional music are played and different cultural dance groups come on stage to perform and show their unique dance steps. This is followed by speeches from elders or leaders consisting of intense discussions on peace, unity, development, and collective efforts for the growth of the local government area. Thereafter, announcements are made as the mantle is handed over to the community whose turn it is to host the next Oji Ezinihitte Festival. Conclusion: Onye wetara ọjị wetara ndụ. He who brings KOLANUT brings life. In the next video, we're going to talk more about KOLANUT and its benefits. Thank you so much for watching. Ndewo.